Assalamu friends, today I'm going to do a quick hands-on review of the latest Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. This is an alternative to Apple Watch Ultra and it is very cheap compared to Apple Watch Ultra. So let's take a quick look at it. The body is made out of titanium and it has a sapphire glass on the front. So it comes with 1.82 inches AMOLED display. It also has all of the sensors which you need in a smartwatch actually, and it comes with ECG as well. So the operating system is also very smooth. So let me just quickly show you. And the display, guys, honestly is very small compared to the the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 which I'm regularly using. And let's see, let me just quickly show you the bezel size which I'm talking about. As you can see, the bezel size is quite thick in my opinion, and that does not look that great in my opinion. So let me just quickly compare it with the Redmi Watch 5, that is my daily driver. And as you can see, there is a huge difference in terms of display size and bezel size, because the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 comes with 2.07 inches AMOLED display and looks really nice in my opinion. I wish that they made the display a little bit bigger, similar to the Xiaomi Redmi Watch or at least Apple Watch Ultra. So here is the regular Huawei Watch Fit 4 and here is the Pro models. We get this in two different colors like black and green. So here is the price, guys, 949 Saudi Riyals. It's quite expensive in my opinion. So here is the green one. And yeah, overall the design looks really nice and the build quality is really nice compared to Redmi Watch 5. But I really don't like the display, guys, honestly. So yeah, the titanium body is really nice actually. Here, as you can see, the crown key is red on the black one and green on the green one. So yeah, I also like the watch face that they are using currently on the green one. You can customize that as well. But I'm not seeing any pay option. I don't believe that you can pay from this watch in Saudi Arabia. I'm not 100% sure. So because I'm not seeing any application for that, like Gcash or something like that. And it's very smooth actually. The performance is really nice. But honestly, guys, I really don't like the bezel size. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me, because I mean the display is quite small, 1.82 inches. It can the peak brightness is up to 3000 nits, so which is really nice to see. So you won't have any issues viewing this watch in direct sunlight. And here's the green one. So let me know in the comments down below which color you like. Now here is the black variant for the Xiaomi Redmi Watch Fit 4. And here, as you can see, this is the regular one, and the design is really nice. I mean the material, the build quality that they are using is really premium. And it comes with a tap to wake feature. I believe you have to turn this on in the settings. So let me just quickly show you that. And wait, let's quickly go into settings. And the animation is also very smooth. Let's go into manage cards. I thought that it was for the payment, but no, it's, I believe, just widgets. So I'm not seeing any payment options. So here is tap to wake. As you can see, we have this option finally. So let me just quickly, yeah, it is working. On the Xiaomi Redmi watch, you have to double tap to wake the watch, but in this one you have to press only a single time. So let me just quickly go into about phone, and here, as you can see, device name. It is using it is on Harmony OS, the operating system. And yeah, guys, honestly, I will say that the watch is really nice, but in terms of price and the display size is not that great compared to the Redmi Watch 5. And here is the regular one, Huawei Watch 4. The display is also very small in this one as well, but the bezel size is quite thin compared to the Pro one. I'm not sure. So yeah, guys, honestly, let's take a quick look side by side, compare it with the Redmi Watch 5. Let me know in the comments down below which one you are liking the more. I believe the Redmi Watch 5 is looking really nice in terms of the display quality and the bezel size. in terms of performance, they are very identical, and as you can see, it's very smooth. The Redmi Watch 5 is also very smooth, and now you can get the Redmi Watch cheaper compared to Huawei Watch Fit 4. So but the build quality is really great on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro and the Fit 4. But still guys, I will recommend you to buy the Redmi Watch 5 because of its bigger display, 2.07 inches AMOLED display, and the battery life that they are claiming in Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, it can last up to 10 days, but after some reviews, people are saying that it only can last up to 6 days. But on the Redmi Watch 5 guys, honestly, it can last up to 20 days if you turn off the always on display. With the always on display turned on, it can last up to 10 days. So the battery life is incredible in Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5. I know this is not a review for the Xiaomi Watch 5, but I will tell you my honest opinion guys. Look at the bezel size and look at the display guys. So in my opinion, if you already don't have any smartwatch, just get the Redmi Watch 5. I will skip this one, the Huawei Watch series, and I wish that they made the thinner bezel, so that will be really nice to see. And they made the display a little bit bigger, like 2.03 inches or at least 2.07 inches. Yeah, but the build quality is really nice on the Huawei Watch Fit. Honestly, I'm not gonna buy Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro because of the display size. My only gripe is about the display. It's not that big compared to Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5, and the bezel size is very thick. So if you like this video guys, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.